Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with today's video. So in this you're going to learn some hairstyles. First you have to repeat the process as it is being shown in this video. After you're done with the first step, you can start making braid out of it, and as you can see you have to make a thick braid out of this. After it you can simply make a bun. Now for your next hairstyle, you have to make a braid first and then you can just tuck the remaining hairs into this manner and your bun will be ready. For your next hairstyle, you have first divide your hairs like these, and after the dividing part, you can see that how these hair strands are being taken. After that, they are molded into a form of braid, and you can repeat the same process of this braid making and you can get this beautiful hairstyle like this. After making a ponytail, you can simply roll your hairs like this. After rolling your hairs into this manner, you can simply make a bun and you are done with it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.